Fatal commercial vehicle crashes are up 40% from 2014, according to NHTSA. With over 15,000 fatalities in the past few years, legal cases are bound to get complicated. Your case needs more than data and discovery. You need the highly qualified, hands-on experts to interpret the same. Attorneys across all 50 states in the Union, including Alaska and Hawaii, rely on the trucking expert witness services of Truck Accident and Incident Experts, LLC. Serving the nation from our regional locations, all of our senior consultants are Level 1 FMCSA roadside enforcement trained inspectors with backgrounds that span roadside enforcement inspections, post-crash investigations, and crash inspections that now result in well-respected expert opinions and testimony. Their results providing non-biased trucking expert witness opinions speak for themselves, such as a recent $77 million verdict from a plaintiff case in Florida in 2025, and many others, in addition to many zero-verdict defense cases. Approximately 65% of our clients are either repeat clients or are referred to us from our existing client base, with our experts reviewing files in both plaintiff and defense litigation cases. Work with a trucking expert witness who understands how to turn accident discovery and data into understandable evidence presented to a jury. Call toll-free at 833-829-8257 and visit truckingexpertwitness.com.